Hello everyone, and welcome to the Blueness Guide, the ideal nutrition guide for humans. Today, we're going to focus on vitamin B6. It's one of the essential micronutrients for our health. It's responsible for several metabolic reactions and, in particular, ensures the production of proteins and red blood cells. Vitamin B6 is a water-soluble vitamin, so it dissolves in water and is eliminated through urine. It therefore belongs to the B group and is essential for the body, which, as we just mentioned, can neither produce it nor store it. The body gets it daily in different forms from the foods we eat. Additionally, it is found in an active form in our bodies, and the foods richest in vitamin B6 are mainly organ meats, and fatty fish. As we mentioned, vitamin B6 is the precursor to many enzymes, especially pyridoxal phosphate, a coenzyme involved in several enzyme systems related to amino acid metabolism. Vitamin B6 is therefore involved in the action of more than 100 enzymes. Additionally, it plays a role in the synthesis and renewal of red blood cells. A severe deficiency in this vitamin can actually cause a type of anemia called megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin B6 also plays a part in certain chemical reactions to help with the synthesis and breakdown of some amino acids. It is also involved in glycogen metabolism, lipid metabolism, and in the synthesis of hemoglobin. The balance of the immune system is maintained by pyridoxine, which is another name for vitamin B6. It also ensures the production of white blood cells as well as the health of lymphoid organs. It is thanks to a normal level of vitamin B6 that our body is able to defend itself against external pathogens and infections, which is why lymphoid organs are important. In the body, vitamin B6 also plays a role in the production of neurotransmitters and essential hormones such as adrenaline, serotonin, and noradrenaline. It enables communication between different neurons and maintains hormonal balance. The synthesis and breakdown of amino acids and proteins also require the involvement of vitamin B6. It plays a particularly important role in tryptophan metabolism to ensure its conversion into vitamin B3. In terms of intake, it is estimated that after the age of 16, about 1.5 milligrams of vitamin B6 per day is needed. And for seniors or pregnant or breastfeeding women, at least 2 milligrams per day. But then, where can you find it? Most foods contain vitamin B6, but in different chemical forms. Whole grains like rice, wheat, and sprouted cereal seeds contain more plant-based vitamin B6. This form is not affected by cooking methods. Animal-based vitamin B6 is mainly found in meat and fish, but it is partially destroyed during preparation. It is also altered by UV rays. So you'll mainly find it in fatty fish like mackerel, salmon, tuna, organ meats, poultry, meats, as well as cereals and brewer's yeast. Vitamin B6 deficiencies are rarely seen in healthy people who have a reasonably balanced diet. However, it is common among people who are malnourished, ill, alcoholic, or suffering from rheumatoid arthritis. Generally, a vitamin B6 deficiency is associated with other B vitamin deficiencies without necessarily showing specific symptoms. But the most notable signs are glossitis, which is inflammation of the tongue, peripheral neuropathy, pain in the extremities, walking difficulties, or even megaloblastic anemia, which is an abnormality of the cells that produce red blood cells. On the other hand, an excess of vitamin B6 is neurotoxic. In high doses, this vitamin can cause neurological disturbances and memory problems. An overdose can therefore cause neuropathy. Generally, vitamin B6 is found in some multivitamins at relatively acceptable doses. It's not bad to go without it, but you shouldn't overdo it either. Vitamin B6 requires the presence of all the B group vitamins to be properly absorbed by the body. It also supports the action and absorption of vitamin B12 as well as magnesium, which is important. However, certain medications in specific cases can reduce the effectiveness of vitamin B6. This is the case with certain medications for tuberculosis, rheumatoid arthritis, or even for asthma or high blood pressure. That's all for vitamin B6. and I'll see you very soon in the Blundus Guide and on Blundus.com.